The thing I like best about dealing with Ball Construction, I think, was the openness, the willingness, the personal touch that we got. We had the Vice President, Gary Hoke, involved in the process from day one. He took a personal interest in it, and I was very impressed with that. We also had a number of others, Leeview, Kyle, and others who were in the office. They were phoning us and checking in on things. And I think the fact that they seemed to be, and I know they were personally invested. I think that's pretty rare and unique today. I've dealt with a lot of companies over the years. Typically outside of anybody you deal with locally, you don't get that personal touch, but I think in this case we got that personal touch, and that was what I was hoping for. We certainly got it, and that was probably, in my mind, the nicest part of our experience. I think in the example that I may use for looking at how Ball Construction was very effective at dealing with challenges on the site and fixing things as we move along. The site superintendent, John Schollenberger, was a superstar throughout the entire process, probably our number one fan, and we were a number one fan of his. To us, he was the one who had the ability to identify, to actually anticipate, and to develop several potential solutions to problems as we moved along. He was also consulting with Gary and Leeview and others in the office, and when we got together and walked through or had our regular either site meetings or our collective meetings on a bi-weekly basis, we had no lack of opportunity to address and deal with those situations. I think the key, though, was that we as the city had to be ready to make those decisions in a very short order. And again, setting up the process we did with the construction management, guaranteed maximum price, and the authority necessary to make these decisions on a daily basis, the right team members together with that made that happen.